What's the meaning of albumen? Albumen. 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 Albumen.
Albumin refers to a type of protein that is commonly found in egg whites, as well as in the blood, milk, and other bodily fluids of animals. This protein plays a crucial role in many biological processes, including the transport of nutrients and waste products throughout the body. In terms of culinary applications, albumin is often used in the preparation of various types of food, such as soufflés and meringues, due to its ability to create stable foams when whipped or beaten. Overall, albumin is an important component of many aspects of both biological and culinary sciences.